What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. Alright now, my people, and see the thumbnail what we come to talk about. Alright now, my people, just finished up a one meeting. One of my friend them. I'm want to do a couple YouTube videos together. So we just staying at the Markham and Eglinton neighborhood area. And I say, you know what? We go up on the topic there now. The deportation topic. The deportation order. The deportation letter. Someone to get. So this video is mostly for them people and just people in general at the end of the day, because anything can happen to anyone at the end of the day, right? So again, big up to everybody who come over to the channel, 416-876 Jamaica. You know, so we do videos and a lot of different stuff happening in Canada. I do a lot of home videos and stuff like that happening in Jamaica. My life will go walk and show you guys the different areas. You understand? So today now we're in the Markham and Eglinton area. I'm gonna do Markham and Eglinton videos already, so I don't really have too much to really show you guys off here. But we just do a walkthrough and talk. You understand? For we look at people, we're well outside. Sun is bright. You know, gotta give it some sunlight. But don't want to try to do a barbecue, my people. Now let me know if anybody would want to come through on our barbecues. Probably do like a weekly barbecue and stuff. So we'll get into some cooking videos here and there. Alright, well people, so probably the couple first one of my place just outside that building, or we gotta park them and just do a couple of them and call it a day. So anybody who interested and want to leave a donation so we can buy up some chicken and we can link with that are cool. But yeah, with people, so around us to the area still, this around the Markham and Eglinton area still, you know. Not really show too much because I just walk to the Walmart and them have over here and a couple shoes places and show you guys around while we talk, you know. So again, yes my people, for the people up out there, oh like me I say a whole heap of people out there like them Trump them issued letters to over 5,000 Jamaicans already. We know say them get deported, just a matter of time. You understand? Or even in England or in Canada. And I know some of them on deportation order. And I know it's just a matter of time before them comes immigration law, you come scoop you up, or ICE come scoop you up and you have to go. And I just take my advice. See, somehow who know some of them on the order and have the paper on the yard and them just wait for just kick you out or make you just go do something wrong again. And then you have the all rights, we just go so bam. Take my foolish advice here. If I work a look up undercover job, like them that's under the table type of job right now, or anything. If I get the letter to them, my people, and you work any local type of job where you know say can fund you right now, listen, take the money and save it up and send it to a yard. Because you will never know when at the day or the night or the tick of the clock strike and you have to leave. You understand what I try to say? So watch you know. I know a couple of people get them order in. And they say, yo Jay, you know, so I don't have no paper still. And you know so you don't have no paper and you do all of the careless set of things them over you. You breed up woman. You go party, you floss, you buy the biggest set of buckle them, you buy the dearest clothes them. And you know say, it's a matter of time before you forget Jamaica. Yes, because I see it happen to people, you know my people. That's why I come and talk about it, you know. And you know say you have to go back to Jamaica in this and this time if the paperwork not work out with the lawyer them and then can't save and then can't stop the order against you. And you know say you have to go back home and you still not looking at yourself and think about it and say, you know what? Make me put back a 10 grand guy yard. Let me at least have a 2 million or 3 million save up. So, even the baby mother you talk to you, say, yo babes, hold on for the money for me because if them catch me on the road, you don't know some, I just the code, me I go with nothing. Nothing. Bank account sees, everything sees, that's how them going to treat you. Them don't care about you. You understand? But you in yourself know say, you might get deleted and you still a go party. All of the biggest party them, they fly you out there, this and that. You want to buy a car, this and that, a driver, you're not even a driver with license. Man do all these things. You understand? And you know if you get in a harsh crime and them just run you one time, you know say you get back deported right away. And you really not tell me say somehow no just really lackadaisical no, and really not tell me say you put away a little thing so if you fall back flat at Jamaica, you don't have to live on nobody's yard. Because right now, I'm going to tell you something, my people. The way how Jamaican people hate deportees, you know. I don't know what the deported them do them. Or them just feel so disgusted by foreign people because I'm going to say, you have your chance of foreign and you take it, waste your chance of foreign. So why we should look upon you now for help? And a whole heap of family member think like that. You understand? Because watch her. Yeah, they are foreign. Them see up on flyer. Them see in a video. Them see a big Benz. Big Hardy. All of the big car them. Them see with a foreign pan phone, right? You never know. Remember now, no, you never know yourself say, let me send them. If your brother or your sister or your father or your mother Jamaica call you, you know yourself never, every time them call you, you never have a dollar to give them yet. But every weekend, then you can see a new video of you. A party, a bus Essa Spade, a bus Bel Air, a bus Moet. Yeah. Buy up the big chains them. Yeah. The gold watch them. Yeah. All of them things there. So how you think the people them will treat you when you drop back a yard? Them will give the same energy? Or them not will give the same energy? They must just be delightful and kind with you. But you weren't delight with them, you weren't kind with them. You had your opportunity of foreign. Yes, things never work out and you had time. If you come here and spend 10, 15 years or 5 years and the both of them finally will catch on for you. Hopefully make sure say you know. Now the 5 years I remember you know see your time limited no matter what. Because from you get them harder there, you know see your time limited if everything not clear up. You understand? So you know see everything clear up, you're going back again, gone trad life, how life should be. You can't travel and thing. But you know so you get harder now. You can't travel, you can't do nothing, so now there's no life to be. You just sit down in Canada so stuck. And I wait for your time. Just a couple of them look on like foot to hype them. And a couple of them run off of states. Then you can ask all of them different type of things before them paperwork. But and some of them again, some of them so full. Because the government can just don't grant them the stay and say, oh, bye. You understand? But that are the thing of the past. Now Trump are broke down, but look on the story, my people. I always see run a market Wellington here of them. I'm like a knockoff store type of vibe. And then sell lots of different stuff for cheap. And stuff like that. Like it's like a bidding place. I'm gonna go in there with the camera. See what I go on. Yeah, it's like a bidding type place. Where you see a lot of different look cheap stuff. Stuff like those lotion bottles and I have a little clothes and projector screen and I have a one little two little stuff there. Yeah, you can buy phones, cases, all of these little stuff, glasses and you know, so just a lot of little stuff them all we towels and stuff like that. But not my place. And I fancy nothing where them really have in here for the dream house at Jamaica, you know. But yeah, I could go on again with people. Perfumes too, premium perfumes, $10. Knock off perfume in the same way. But yeah, we're heading over to the Walmart right now. And there's a shoe store. Probably go the shoe store first and check that out. But yeah, so how you expect the people them now to receive you when you never do nothing for them? You over here, you know say you just in yourself, you know say that yes, I'll get back. You talk to the lawyer, say you know say there's a possibility that you will get back, send back, you know, cause this and this name work out, so or that and that, or you didn't involve in too much of this or whatever. And you know in yourself. And you now go back to Jamaica with no trade, no skills, no nothing. Nothing at all. Someone go back to Jamaica with you know. Nothing at all. Not even say, you know what? Me that just learn to do drywall at foreign. Can't go to Jamaica and do drywall. A whole heap of people want to do drywall work right now at Jamaica. Or you know, so me that learn. Me that do barbering at foreign. Go do some barbering over there too. Can go still do my tattoo work over Jamaica and call it a day. You know? You know, so me put on a piece of food. You know what I go do? I just go buy a delivery van and pick up and market the thing and pick up things off for people and market myself and push out myself and call it a day. You understand? But no, so much, no think about them things there. You don't think about the sad days that go come. But yes, and everybody I look and I go think about them things there. But you never know what might happen. And that's all I'm saying. You never know in this type of life and age, the coming days that we are live right now, people. We don't know what might happen with immigration law and citizenship law and the different rulings where they might change up. The Canadian citizenship law, the PR-ship law, the American green card law, our American citizenship law, all of them, that England law them. All of them they can write over in for them favor, you know. If any least little thing, oh boom, send them back. Just like that. You understand? So think about them things like me say, people. If you know so you come from a different country, don't be afraid to go and invest back in your country, because at the end of the day, your country now kick you out, you know. People, one of them me also drive, you know, before when me get sick and get the panic attack, this me that drive a dumper truck, you know. Dumper truck, my people, if you can get into the dumper truck industry, you will make good money. The hours are long though, but you will make a good piece of change at the end of the day. If you really want to make a nice living, you're not really making a nice living now, because dumper truck job is seasonal, but when winter time come, you can just transfer over and go do salt truck jobs and stuff like that too at the end of the day. So you always have a job around the clock every time. But if you're like me, you know, you just want to do a summer job, you do a dumper truck job, but you may get an anxiety attack or drive truck, my people. And I really think more of do no more trucking job like that anymore. So until I really mental and physical again to say, alright, we can manage 15-16 hours a day type of lifestyle. Because with them trucking job then, my people, you don't know what time you're going to start and you don't know what time you're going to end. You just get a text in the evening, start work tomorrow at 6 o'clock. Be at the office at 5 o'clock. Get your truck, boom, pre-trip, you're out. Right, so you never know what time, and then one day I sit down there almost 18 hours. We're up on the road, I do trucking. So all of them things there, you know, them long hours there and stuff like that. I don't know, can't go back go do them things there. But again, if you can do all a moving service here, you're bridging via a van, and you can do a moving service over here, so I know so you don't have no papers. You save up every dollar where you can. Every dollar, send it back home. Send it back home. Get a bank account in Jamaica. I think you can sign up for your bank account from over here, so in Jamaica also. You sign up for your Jamaican bank account. And all of them things that you're tearing. And all of them things, so you know, say boom now. Or if you have it before you leave Jamaica, you know, say you're good. You just send back down your money, man. Send back down your money. At the end of the day, now, when I get catch over here, so, you know, me too deported before, you know, man. And we help them out, you know, when we pick them up from the airport, we were just naturally going by our way. The people, father said the people them need help. And we say, alright then. And we help them, and when the girl tell me, say, listen, I want them catch you with, and that you go with. Some of them, sometime they lenient on some people, if them catch them at them yard and stuff like that. They say, yo, pack a suitcase and go on. The girl says she get catch with her phone on her. So them leave the phone with her iPhone and stuff. Blessings. Okay. Oh yeah? Somebody again always find me, no man. Oh, bless up yourself, Father.
Believe you say one of them Sunday when you're free.
Because every Sunday I'm more live, me do you see it, but yeah. People again and subscribers see me up on the page. Are your business this or?
Company.
A company. Oh, you that tell me about the trucking job?
Yeah.
Bless up. I just talk to them about the trucking job. Man. So the trucking job I treat you.
Good man, very good.
So you don't tell anybody to get them trucking license. Because me always advise them to get them trucking license, you know.
Very beneficial, you know.
Just
that kind of more boring than Jamaica, you know. Straight highway and all these things, you know.
Oh, over here, so.
Yeah, driving. You know,
so what kind of run you do now? Local?
So, weight, storage.
Okay, so I still long run them?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, like how much out? Well, like a route. Oh, lay. I remember when me I do tractor trailer. My tractor trailer days them different from phone local days them still cause.
Yeah.
Dumb truck. Me that's try to get into the dumb truck market. Me just that talk about it on the vlog too, you know. I know you get experience with this and that now. And you just build it up and just boom.
Yeah, 1 year now me I run it, you know.
And
1 year now.
and you're fine with it.
Yeah.
Well, early you work, like what time to what time you work?
6 to 5.
At least I know when you go home. At least I know when you go home. When we do dumb truck now, you don't know when you start and you don't know when you finish.
True.
So that's the problem now. I tell the people them say I don't know if I can go back to dumb truck, but if you really want to make good money, dumb truck I pay all $30, $36, $40 an hour. Yeah man, you understand? You can just make like you just dedicate all one good 3 years out of it. I know some just save up the money there. And go yard and go start a place. You don't want to live here all the time.
No.
Alright man, now I see my brother. You can just link me up now. Now I see you man.
Because you don't know your journey. At school, me come up on a
School.
family, nobody.
Tell them that. Tell them funny. Tell them your journey a little bit.
Come here as a student. I know no family, nobody, and you know I just put in the work and finish school now. I drive truck on the side part time as an international student, you know. So we just there and make a dream and I live the dream, you know. So
And make sure you save up your money for go back home. Alright. Make sure you save up your money because you see how the law them and everything are change up. You just never know. You understand? So people, save up your money. Alright. Link my boss. Bless up yourself. Yeah. Alright. Judge, you don't say my mind. A barbecue, I say me I go do right now. I say me I go to Walmart for go buy up some stuff. And then I say, you know what, outside still feel like chilly, so I'm not about to do it. I'm going to walk and do a vlog. And I suck on me the right, that's the right now. Bless up yourself here. Alright. See my people don't know far and wide, but right now we're going to the shoes place. They call it SVP. It's like Seaview plate, but it's not. It's like a knockoff one. You don't know, but I'm always have a good nice branding stuff here. And stuff like that, you know. I always have a good branding stuff you can buy your joggers and stuff like that. So I'm gonna say a lot of people come over here in Christmas time because they always have a local sales. Okay, them have some nice good Puma shorts. Right here, how much I want? 40 a piece. But them are sell you them. See, this even feel fake. This feel like it can rub off. Just like the one them sell at Jamaica. And the material not that good. It's just like the same. You can knock off them at Jamaica. That's how I feel. If it's not imprinted, I not buy them. If it's like a Jamaica, I buy them. God no. So I just fake stuff them. But them not fake. Cause think they lock them down. But I just feel them fake. Cause if you not Emberge, I not buy it. Although all of them not come out like that though. But yeah, I'm have a look at shoulder bags them. You see that again, my people? That's the next YouTuber. Just see me a walk and see me I go do a vlog in the area. Cause I go do a barbecue, so I go by Walmart and thing. And look there, somebody just linked me. And that guy been linking me and I always answer the people them when they message me on my Instagram. Cause you never know who and you never know who's out there who really want your help and stuff like that, you know. So the footballers them sell a lot of football shoes them over here, soccer shoes and stuff like that. Bags and stuff like that too. And the Converses them over here cheap. $40. If you have somebody go back home, you must can buy a Converse for somebody over there, you know. But a black Converse, $40. $45 feet people. You must know somebody where you can get one support and buy alcohol shoes. For the shoes them are not that expensive. New Balance, super New Balance shoes, $79. Alright, $79. Timberlands, $89, $179. All depends on what type of shoes you want. You understand? And you can go the cheap and clean way over here, my people. Nobody know if you know. Oh, I bought this one before. Yeah, they have the full black one. I love the shoes, my people. But you have a lot of different type of shoes and stuff. What you can see. But the more and more video them people, like if more and more I'm afraid to go out there, because you never know who out there. Yeah. But yeah, these are some of the shoes that I'm having, my people. Adidas, pan cheap, at $69, $89, $69 again. You know, I have that one also. Some eco shoes places, you know. You know, this one I can't remember the name of them. I always want to buy one of them one day, you know, but I always price up. This one not too bad too. But yeah, my people, I have a lot of different type of shoes and stuff for cheap, where you can support somebody overseas. You know, you can save up a $50 a month. And you send off a nice little shoes, you buy them all, I want to 3 shoes, me I tell you, say, them feel happy, somebody will go back to school or anything like that. You can support them and help them out. You understand? Simple as that. As soon as my house done, the Airbnb finish at Jamaica, I start try to do some home things to, you know, help the home meals them, all of them type of stuff there. Cause you just never know. Just one life we have to live, and if you can help somebody, you go out there and help them. But again, my people, go back on the deportation thing again, my people. Please, my people, if you know, say they're on the deportation order overseas, just take my foolish advice and just save up your money and push at Jamaica. You understand? Learn a skill or a trade from over here. If you need to learn a skill or a trade at Jamaica, you come here just go and hustle. Build up something, a yard, build up a cook shop, something, buy, send off stuff, send off barrels them, and your family them, and make them go collect them off and lift them at your yard if you have a yard at Jamaica. Yeah, man. Send off your equipment them. You know you're a tattoo artist, barber and stuff like that, pack a barrel. You know, see, your father have a house down there. You help build up a house and put up your one room on it. Your mother have a little house and you help you. Just do it. Because you never know. Remember, you know, this thing, you know, people, when you live at Jamaica, you know, man, and you know nowhere to live, you know. And you see the man on the road, you know. And people who I talk about will live a foreign for 30, 40 years. And because them do too much problem, you see them get deported. 30, 40 years you live a foreign, my people. Some of them all 50 years and then you go get deported. Government take away your paper back. I know you get deported, my people. And you go back to Jamaica. Not have nothing. Nothing at all. You go back over there to nothing at all. How you go feel, man? No. Right now, tourism industry, a big industry at Jamaica right now. Use the money, buy some ATV bikes, do something, invest with a cup, you understand? Try to do something. A whole heap of ideas out there, I have to go none. You understand? You build up some 1-bedroom Airbnb apartments. You don't have to rent it out as Airbnb, you rent it out as just a 1-bedroom then to normal people. You have a piece of land, you buy a piece of land over there. If you have your mother and father over there, make them sign it up with the lawyer for you. Or if you have a brother and sister over there where you can't trust. You understand? Because everything always come down back to trusting people again too, you know. And a lot of people probably get messed up over because them try to trust them brother and sister, mother or father at Jamaica, and them know so the people them over here no straight, and them send off them last dollar for go over there. And say, yo, just go and hold on upon this to me when you go reach Jamaica now. Them finally pick you up. You reach Jamaica now, you don't have $1 left now. Because you see them family member grab it up and take it. And think you need to come back a yard. I know you come back a yard. Then same people you try to kill you too, you know. So you have to watch who you send your money to a yard to, you know. Because when them can't eat, them a look on your little bit of $1 right there, so, you know. And I say, yo, but Jeffrey, they are foreign here, man. They can't go and wait here, man. Jeffrey now come back now to Jamaica. Another day they know you come back from Jamaica. You saw how life messed up. So me send them $4 or $5 million Jamaican. And me I look for that when me come back to Jamaica. Me can say, alright, you know what? You can use this now for go do something, you know. And sometime over there some mad out the people them from foreign, you know. Uno mad out the people them cause me send you $4-5 million over the years me I work. And me know say anything can go so one day. And you take my money, use it. You take my money, use it. I want to make people mad over you, so man. Me not gonna tell you no lie. Right now, people, we're at the Walmart in the area. So we just walk through and I do the vlog them just like how we normally been doing them, you know. But just to get back our motivation now. See me walking on my beats them. Yeah, man. So you know, so a lot more contents like this I will come through in the area. But yeah, man, my people, how to make that work? You understand? That's not nice, none at all. It's not nice, none at all, my people. People them work so hard. Send the money go yard. Cause every deported wicked and bad and mean and I make it look away. People over here them work hard. And send off look at the buildings to go to Jamaica. I want to get the money. And I spend the people their money, and then when the people get deported, you don't call them mad. Because the people come here freak out for you. And see them one kick them out of the house. When the man knows him having $5 million ready for just go do anything you can do in Jamaica right now. I'm happy. You know most people over here are probably happy sometimes they might get deported. And they know so them have a big food a yard. And then the big food their yard just get sold so randomly got messed up and all of them stuff there. Can't rob off the people and money. You know how people feel? People, you know, so some like me say a barbecue, me I look for, you know. Like all of them have the same deal. Because Home Depot have the same deal as the same barbecue, you know. But Home Depot have the red one. Kinda like the red over the blue. But my brethren have the red, so me buy the blue. So now $100 for this one too. And some small barbecue thing we are trying to do, you know my people. See if we can even sell some chicken. I like this one too, but I have no space for my kind of car. I don't know if I'm on a display unit. No. And this one not too bad, but I don't want nothing with gas. I don't want a barbecue, no gas barbecue, more coal chalk fire. It's like make some real Jamaican type of jerk chicken. You see it with people. But yeah, I like for just walk through some of them places, I like go back up at Home Depot, probably not today, and just look through the barbecue stuff that them have. Cause one of them there, you know, we have to come back and buy up some stuff. But I want all some of them stuff that we try to check out, you know, my people. Okay, and buy and put upstairs on the balcony type of vibe. But them look flimsy and weak out, yeah, man. And I just $150 feet. Jamaica, you look on this, them are selling for all on 5 or 80, 90, $100,000. This gone already. At Jamaica, I not lie to you. This one now looks good. But like me tell you, my people, it's not time yet for buy them here. So by this end of October, I go down to September, it will be the best time. So I see price now, $450 plus tax. And a good quality. You want to wait till, because I love to have something like this on the rooftop, you know what I mean? But you want to wait till September time. I'm going to need some outdoor carpets too. Because I'm not going to do the balcony off yet, you know, my people, because I don't know money and things. So we just gotta get some outdoor carpets for the sitting, different sitting areas. And I think we're going to be making like 3 different sitting areas at the end of the day. But that's at God and time. We don't know what we are doing yet, but you know, we just are talk it in existence. Look upon this one now, my people. Something like this, people that want to come and sit down upstairs with man. 4 bills for that, I tell you. Summertime come, and when summertime end, you get this box of 2 bills, $150. All the big chair there and stuff like that. One big chair like that at Jamaica sell for $100,000. How much is it for here? $250 for that chair. I would have love all 4 of them a yard. Nah, I will lie to you. Got them cozy. But yeah, I'm just going to walk through, man. Get my people, so like me say, please. Oh, this one is nice too. Nice quality. Also, $350. Like summertime down here, I get that for $150. As I come and look and show on my people. But I love one of this outside to see. This right now at 3 bills feet, you know. And at summertime end, yeah, I get this for $1.50. Same, and remember people, remember to keep on a receipt when you now buy the stuff them. Because you not get them on sale and deal. Now for show custom and stuff like that. You understand now people? They over the barbecue side. Try to see if I need anything. You know, look a car run out on data, but I think I have everything here what we need for the barbecue already. I just need a barbecue starter. The thing we throw on. Oh, you can probably get this cheap at the dollar store too. I have one in my car too. Yeah. Alright, so a bag of coal at Walmart now is $12. So Walmart look like the cheapest place to get coal. And yes, people. Just like go one through walk through, see me while we talk. You know, we always walk and talk, you know. We walk and rumble, you know. That is it. But again, my people, please, if somebody they are foreign and I'm gonna try hard and I'm gonna send them money come my yard, please not rob up the people them money. Cause I know a whole heap of people can give me story what that happened to them. And they make it look like them a cruff, like them never do nothing a foreign. And a whole heap of people over here say work it. And over there thief it. And I try to just better off of a next person. Hard working lifestyle. You understand? Though just don't make that be you, man. Just so sometimes and then when you see people that walk a road, if you ask somebody them story, you know, man, some of you cry, you know. You cry, man, to see where a person a come from. And what a man try to do, because some of them know so they how. Jay, you know so me not straight over there. Or you know so me not straight right now. But dog, you know what? Me a go and fight it, you know, bro. Fight it, me there fight it, you know, dog. You see it, and the man dead and I work. And I send him money go a yard, and I send him money go a yard, and I send him money go a yard. Reach all a good $5, $6, $7, $8 million. The man knows, say, yo, Jay, cut me a cut, you know. Go back a yard right and now, because they don't know, say, you boy them hold on for me too couple times, and anytime the boy them can hold on for me, I don't want them send me, and me just go, you see it. Because I can pack up my things, and just cut. Just know so I can't fly back and I code. You see it? And that is it. And then now that man reach Jamaica now and find out, say, your thief me $9 million. Your thief me $9 million. How you think me for stay in a life? How you think me for just calculate that mentally? I come back a yard with nothing in my pocket. I come back with my $9 million. And you gonna tell me, say, it get messed up, you had to use it. I don't want to hear that. I know amount of things that I run through my mind. You better me not talk, because the amount of things that I run through my mind. You understand? Like them things there. I like to keep saying people. I them things that make people go mental in a Jamaica. I know my friend I work at McDonald's, you know. I them things that make your mind just go mental and run for everything. But yeah, my people there at McDonald's go fast food place. I don't know. She not work, so I leave her alone. And them things that make people go cuckoo for the Cocoa Pops. Because they robbed me $9 million. That's not nice. No, you see man I walk the street mad out. I take all type of jokes just because him not no peace with himself no more. You rob me $9 million, I have to start right over. Right over now, you make the person there. I have to go to them way, go to them life. To go start, you know. No, sir. So again, my people, you have to just tread in our light way and just know who to trust. And like I said, the best way you can do it, you know you're overseas, you open up a bank account and send back your money. At Jamaica. Every week you get paid, every 2 weeks you get paid. You know, say, alright, this can live for the month, yeah. Alright, boom, I'm going to deposit that in my bank account. I'm going to deposit that. You understand? And I say you have to go do it, my people. At the end of the day, just, you know, have to trust nobody. So, nobody over there, when you look about that type of vibes, there, go to the local, because they always have local banks in a lot of the countries. Them, like over here, so them have think them have NCBC, or if you have a Scores or a Capital One or a Scotia card, then you can get open up a Jamaican bank account. But I think you have got a Jamaican consulate or one of them places there, or Immigration Jamaica in a your place, and make sure they get the right documents what you need for open up your Jamaican bank account and stuff like that. And you push on with life, because I tell you straight, you take out my $9 million, you know, man. I just got alone can talk to me, you know. And I gotta tell you no lie, you know. I mean, no, so me can't go back at the place there until 5 years. If anything, if the paperwork don't go back through and then say, oh, them ban me out of the country for 5 years. I mean, no, so me can't try to get back papers to go back up. I mean, no, say, no, me just try to live back a yard and you take my $9 million, $10 million. And so that are evil people. You take my $10 million. $10 million. I work so hard for. You take it and tell me different story in a Jamaica. Not tell me nothing, no, man. You also you own you write it to me. Because you're not going to live in there, me I going to live in there. You must be mad. You must be mad, man. And that's so a lot of people. You're going to say, oh, they deported them mad. Him come back with nothing and argue with people where you never have you. And you don't know how much money no man. And people, make sure you have all on the receipt. All of the money when I send them people there back home, make sure you save up on the receipt them. The Western Union and the MoneyGram, all of the receipt them. And the person we are sending to. Because if you have a file lawsuit at Jamaica towards them, I just saw it have to go. Because you now walk off with my money just so. After me work so hard at foreign, you see how much the youth will just say, man say come up on student program. And after work what 66, 12 hour a day the man say. Part time, because student you're not supposed to work full time. But if you can work it, you work it, I don't know how the deal go. Right? So and then him now if you work up all of your money now. Just because I'm on student visa, I don't know if I'm going to stay here the whole lifetime or you know sometimes them. Because what they let go all for India and them from here. So you just never know. Right? And the man they save up on good $3 or $2 million and send off for Jamaica to his mother or his father or his sister and brother. And say, yo, hold that for me until I come down. And you screw up my $2 million because the government finally say, okay, we just don't want too much people in our country now. So man don't have to go. And you hold on for my $2 million. And then you see a man who call me deported boy. To me come here, I never sit down. Like most of them money, some of them over here. Them sit down. Getting all sort of problem, this drug, this and me not going on them things like America, honest living. And me come back a yard for my food and you gonna tell me something different. You better lift up, man. I want $2 million, you know, because I can put a car on the road and I can go to taxi with my car or do whatever and make a money and start and step up what my thing. Simple as that. I can just do airport delivery and pick up. Simple as that and push off my thing. Work at the resort them and pick up people. Whatever. I go buy a vaccine my $2 million. So now play it with me. There's a will, there's a way you can make back that you can make your money when you go over so. But if you go over there and don't have nothing, may I tell you say it's gonna be much harder for you. So just take my advice, my people. Walk on thin line and go on over back. But don't go back a yard with nothing because you're going back to yard with nothing. Nobody now look upon you. Yes, they will feed you for the first 2-3 weeks or the month. After that, where you go eat. And I saw a whole heap of them. You see a whole heap of them. A Jamaica now, they don't know where to live. Family land and this and that. You come back, brother and sister that live in there, they not give up no house. The room where they left. Your cousin move in and this and that. Who no breed up on this and that and you alone. They out there in a early if you have a supporting family member and supporting friend you left a yard, you know, so you usually send them a $50 or $100. You can either call on the phone with and reels in with. You understand? And them people are gonna look out for you. So like again my people, take my foolish advice. Send back your money go yard if you know say they on any order. Cause anytime them come for you, You know, so a year time that Europe. Yes, I can fight it. Mr. People fight it over here and think them now cut. And them see them one, me see a Jamaican and then me can't see them back here again. Yeah. You can't see them back here again. Years pass. You wonder what go on. And you know what go on still. But you just don't know a code. So people just don't make that be you, yeah, man. That's all me have to say, so. Big up to everybody again who like and share. And support the channel, my people. I don't know. We're back making our walking videos like this. I don't know. We might be doing a lot of downtown videos this weekend. Might be going downtown. And I might be showing you guys a behind the scenes of one of my music video shoots where we are take on this weekend also. So a lot of local stuff we are post back on the channel. But people, I know I make them get enough views for more of a post. Each video we get at least over 1,000 views. So I could continue be posting. Alright? So just make that happen for me. And make it happen for you. Alright, my people? So 4162876 again, my people. Everybody bless upon yourself.